Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. There's going to be tobacco use. Bang! Alcohol use. Bang! Oh, and foul language use. Bang! So if you don't like that, you better leave now because here I come in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bang! Whoa! Welcome, brothers. Welcome. My name's Shmar. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. All right, brothers. So, we have an interesting show for you tonight. Bang. It's not going to be so crypto-y. It's going to be a little different. Oh, it's going to be a little different. So first we're going to talk about this DX.Exchange. It's an exchange in Europe, and you can now use your crypto to buy stocks, American stocks, Nasdaq stocks. And they're going to expand out into other things. And so I bring this up because one of the brothers brought this up yesterday. And it was also part of the story that I told you about Circle. Remember, we were talking about Circle. And at the end of the story, they talked about the Circle guy said, yeah, you're going to see tokenization of stocks. You're going to see tokenization of this and that. And I was telling you, your kids are going to be tokenized. Well, bang, here's the tokenization of stocks. And that's why I'm bringing this up. And plus, if you're over there in Europe and stuff and you want to buy American stocks now, have at it. All right, and then this thing right here, oh my gosh, I told you guys I was going to look into it, and I told you I was going to report about it when I got back from holidays. This thing's too good, guys. The OkEx open-ended futures. I'm going to give you an update on that. I'm going to give you an update on how it applies to Americans and how it applies to everybody. Just everybody, I'm going to just give you a big old update on it. It's too good. That'll make you millions, all right? And we're going to talk about it. And then bang, bang, you know what I love? Bang! I love talking about the institutional money on the way. Oh, and there's a lot of it on the way. Yes, there's a lot of it on the way, and that's how we like it. So look. Let's start how we normally start with a little bit of bang. And then we go bang. And then what do? We normally head over here like this. We do a little bang. Yes. And then we do a little refresh. Let's see where we're at. Fucking shit. Oh, Bitcoin's not moving. Nothing's really moving. It's just hovering right here between 3.8 and 3. Shit, man. Like 3.8 and 4. Right? 1,000, right? 3,800 to 4,000. A tight range. Remember a couple months ago when it was tight ranging? What was that? High sixes before this last crash? All right. Well, let's get to how we do it. Let's go for the top 10 of the day. And we've got the usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Bitcoin SV, and Tron still holding number 10. Yeah, same as yesterday. Just low single digits up to low single digits down. Low single digits up to low single digits down. Holy, this is really doing nothing. Low single digits up to low single digits down to low single digits up to low single digits down. All right. Let's see if anything's on sale. Let's see what we got here, brothers. All right. So we got top 10 on sale today. We've got Hollow, Aurora, Arc, IOTA, Bitcoin Cash, Crypto.com Chain, Stratus, you know I love those guys, Redcoin, MOAC, and Dogecoin. All right. Let's see who made money then. Oh, there we go. Look at DEX. Oh, look at Repo. Oh, look at these. These just look like straight pumps. All right. Bang. Top 10 earners of the day. DEX, Repo, Crypto.com, Ardor, Pivx, Dentacoin, Tron, Mixin, Decentraland, and Status. All right. So let's look at our total market. cap of the day, 132 billion. All right. Look at our volume of the day. So remember we did the volume story yesterday. Remember OTC, guys, 2 to 3%, 2 to 3 times more. So our exchange volume today is 16,767 blah, blah, blah. But our real volume is between 30 and 40 something thousand billion. All right. Now, we're going to do this story here just because we talked about it yesterday. And, well, we didn't talk about the story, but we talked about, or the guy said, the CEO or whoever he was of that company of Circle was like, yeah, we're going to see all this new stuff this year. And I'm going to tell you the truth. I've been reading a lot of stuff, and a lot of big players, I mean, bankers, CEOs and stuff, they're really talking a lot about stable coins, tokenization this year. Like, there's going to be a big transformation of just the world in terms of how it operates. And this tokenization of stuff is a thing. And like we're going to see tokenization of your car, your house. Property is one of the big ones, right? So your house and your property is going to be a big tokenization thing. And worldwide, not just here in the first world, but actually in India, that's a big thing. And anyways, we're going to see a bunch of stuff. And so this is the change of, so, you know, in Europe, you can't buy Microsoft shares, right? Like, you got to be here in America to do it. Not anymore. Not with these new exchanges. You're going to be able to buy whatever you want anywhere. You want to buy, what's a Japanese company? You want to buy, I don't know, what do they have over there? I keep forgetting. What? Fujitsu. Yeah, you'll be able to buy Fujitsu stock, bang, through a token. And I'm going to show you, and they're expanding. Which is ingenious because what you're really doing is you're giving access to everybody of all these shares and everything, right? All right, so let's check it out. Oh, so DX.Exchange to offer tokenized stocks of Nasdaq-listed companies. First, Estonia-based DX.Exchange. And this is what some guy told me. Anyway, whatever. I'm not going to get into it. DX.Exchange, a European Union regulated cryptocurrency, European Union regulated. Let's start highlighting right away, brothers. Regulated cryptocurrency traded platform based in Estonia. Did you know that Estonia is the most wired country in the world? Yeah, man. You can do anything in Estonia online. Vote, anything. Anyways, we'll begin offering tokenized stocks of some of the largest publicly traded corporations in the world. In a series of Twitter posts, the company counted down the launch, which is slated for January 7th. Right now, it is January 5th, 3:33 a.m. in South Beach, Florida. Bang, couple days from now. So, whenever this guy tweeted, he said, in 4 days, you can, for the first time, invest your cryptocurrencies in digital tokenized stocks backed 1-to-1 by real stocks exclusively on DX.Exchange, it said on Thursday, providing a link to a Bloomberg story for further details. According to the publication, DX.Exchange will offer digital tokens based on the shares of 10 Nasdaq-listed tech companies, including Google, Facebook, Intel, and Apple. Customers will be able to use certain cryptocurrencies and fiat money to purchase the tokens even after closing hours of the stock markets. Although the companies themselves will not be involved, holders will be entitled to the same cash dividends. So I'm going to just, I guess it tells you right here. The shares will be bought. Oh, no, it doesn't tell you. I'll tell you how this thing works. So these guys are going to buy the shares, and you're basically buying them from them. But they're saying they're going to give you the dividends. So, you know what dividends are, right? Like dividends are, they come like usually once a year. the company gives you money when you own their shares. And so what they're saying is you're going to get that. The shares will be bought via MPS Marketplace Securities, which is regulated by the Crypto Securities and Exchange Commission. The stock will be stored in an account separate from any MPS internal funds or usage. So custody services. So the guy says, we saw a huge market opportunity in tokenizing existing securities. Duh. We believe that this is the beginning of the traditional markets merge with blockchain technology. You're fucking right, it is. This is going to open a whole new world of trading securities, old and new alike. DX.Exchange CEO Daniel Skaronsky told Bloomberg by email. Exactly. I don't have to be limited anymore to buying stocks that are just from my country. Yeah, I could buy anything, anywhere, right? That's awesome. That's an awesome thing because there's investment opportunities anywhere, and you know what it'll do? It'll weed out the weak hands globally. If you're a so-and-so company, right, you're protected by your country. So if you're let's say a car company, right? Yeah, you're protected in America. If you're Ford and your car sucks, yeah, but everyone's got a 401k in your Ford company and retirement funds are in Ford. Yeah, that's why your share stays that big, because you have vested interests who have bought into your thing. They're not actively trading it. They don't even actively care whether it goes up or not. They just hodl that stuff. And that's why you'll see companies, they just last. Not that they're shit, but I'm just saying because they're included in 401ks and retirement funds and whatnot. I mean, they're still going to have that protection. So I'm not saying that. But we're going to see the explosion of, worldwide what people really like. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Does that make sense? When everybody gets to invest in car companies, let's keep it at cars. Well, now the whole world is going to tell us what they think about the cars. About your Volkswagen or your Ford or whatever. I mean, it's not really going to affect the underlying price of the asset because obviously they're on stock exchanges of their own countries. But anyways, all I'm saying is I think this is amazing. If you're in Europe, wherever, bang, you get to invest in the things we get to invest in. We get to invest in the things you get to invest in, right? So it goes both ways. So awesome. Last thing is DX.Exchange revealed its plans in May 2018 after launching the Nasdaq-powered crypto tokenized securities. The company, here it is. The company plans to expand to the New York Stock Exchange. So you're going to be able to buy NYSE tokens, Hong Kong Exchange, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange. So, bang, right? Like, if you're here in America, I never get to buy any of that Hong Kong or Tokyo stuff. I will now. Well, I'm not going to, but I'm saying I have the opportunity to if I was so inclined, right? And so will you. And so, bang, there it is, guys. I think this is a great idea. Yeah, globalized stocks. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, I know there were already contracts for different CFDs you could get and stuff like that, but this is cool for the crypto world too. All right, now this one here is serious. Look, brothers, holy shit. If you can get your hands on this. So for us right now, brothers, in America, if you're listening to this in America, I'm here too. You know that I'm here in Florida. We're going to talk. We're all going to talk. But look. My European brothers, Australian brothers, Icelandic brothers, Canadian brothers, all the brothers. Look, brothers. You got to get your hands on this shit right here. I'm even going to fuel up because I got to tell you, holy smokes. So, all right. So let's do a little background for if you're new here. So OkEx, they have a futures contract. Look. I'm not going to get into what a futures contract is. The brothers, you guys know. But go to Investopedia and find out what one is. And this is an open-ended, oh my gosh. It's almost a scam. Like, I just can't even believe they're doing this. They're giving you an open-ended futures contract. All right. So a futures contract, right? Like it has an expiry date. So let's just do this quick. So a futures contract is a soybean farmer. He plants his seeds in January. His crop will come up in April. Yeah. So if I'm a, I don't know, tofu company, well, I need soybeans. So I go and I pay the soybean farmer now in January, whatever per acre of his crop, let's say $100 an acre, and I buy 1,000 acres or whatever. And so I pay him now for that. Yeah. And so in April, when his soybeans are ripe, I guess is the word, when they come to harvest, yeah, I get them. He sends them to me, to a company, not my house, but obviously. But you know what I'm saying? That's how a futures contract works. But you see how it ends in April. These guys, oh my gosh. What OKEx, hold on, let me get fueled. Because this is too much, guys. What OKEx is doing, they're offering open-ended futures contracts. Open-ended. So you don't have to guess at the price of something by some certain date. All you're doing is you're either going long or short. Long, when you go long, it means you want the asset to go up in value. When you go short, it means you want it to go down in value. In order for you to realize profits on your investment. Now, these motherfuckers, they're just like, look. We're going to give you a futures contract. It's open-ended forever. Forever. All you got to do is, if you buy it at the bottom, if you buy that asset that they're throwing into their futures at the bottom and ride it to go long, yeah, you can ride it long forever. Oh, forever. And look. These are leveraged. Look. Holy. Hold on, man. I even got to do it again. Leveraged. 100 to 1 Bitcoin futures they're offering right now. And watch what they're offering. Holy. Hold on. Let me get this lit. And let me just have a quick sip. And then we're going to get into it. And what I'm trying to say to you, I mean, what I'm going to impress upon you tonight is, if you're available to get this in your country, and there's a trick to it, and I know, Bob, you've told me some stuff, and you've shown us some stuff, but I also know a few things, so I'm gonna show you this. I know what you're saying about them closing out your account, but you don't have to use the whole 100 to 1 leverage. I'm going to talk to you guys about that. And that's what gives this so much power. Well, for you and your holdings going forward. Now, OKEx rolls out 7 crypto derivatives. Check this shit out. So, this is unbelievable. On the 3rd of January 2019, it was announced that OKEx will be adding 7 new crypto derivatives to its platform. OKEx has launched its first derivative back in late 2018, which was for Bitcoin to USD, and has 100. Bang! Oh my gosh. Bang! 100 to 1 leverage, people. I want you to go to Investopedia and look up the word leverage. I'm going to tell it to you right now, but believe me, I want you to read it. Leverage means I control more than I put into the market. So right now, you guys know I'm a Forex trader. When I first started trading Forex, I had 400 to 1 leverage. Yo, you used to make a $200 trade. You'd make like 2 G's. Yes, that's leverage. Because you're controlling more than your money is really in the market. I mean, you have to also remember this, though. You also lose more than you have money in the market. So leverage, it's a deadly beast. It's a deadly beast. You have to know what you're doing with it. But look. The 7 new derivatives are for Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, EOS, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Unlike the first derivative, this new arrangement supports only about 40 times leverage. So it's not as deadly as the bang, the 100 times leverage, but leverage, any amount of leverage in this market is amazing, because right now what you're doing is you're buying vanilla. That's what we call it in the markets. You call it buying vanilla. In other words, I'm buying the Bitcoin on the spot market. That's called vanilla. If it tells me, well, let's look at it right here. What's the price of Bitcoin today? All right. Where is that? $3,869.20. Yeah, vanilla. Bang. That's how much I'm paying for that shit right now. And we talked about the OTC guys. They make a few deals. Yeah, that's not us. We buy vanilla. And look. 100 times left. Why am I bringing up the vanilla thing? Why did I bring up the vanilla? Anyways, let's just get back to this shit. So it's 100 to 1 leverage on Bitcoin. I don't know why I brought up the vanilla purchase. And it's going to be 40 times leverage for this other stuff. I'm sorry, guys. Luck. Well, I'm not sorry, but that's weird. All right. One of the reasons for the addition of the 7 new derivatives is the success of the previous one. Yeah, they're not stupid. They're like, holy, everyone bought that Bitcoin thing. We're going to offer more. So the launch of perpetual, oh, that's right. It's called a perpetual swap. Well, it's not a swap. It's a futures contract, but whatever. Anyways, the launch of perpetual swaps demonstrated our continuous commitment to building a complete financial ecosystem on blockchain and crypto. With the new offering, investors and traders can select the products which best fit their trading and hedging strategies. Damn, now listen to this shit here. According to OkEx, the BTC futures currently have a trading volume of over 1.5 billion. What? Each day. That's OkEx's thing. Each day. Look at the fucking market cap of the total. I mean, these are all exchanges. We know. We talked about it. If you add it, really, the OTC guys. But 1 point something billion? Hold on. Is that billion or million? Hold on. Billion each day. Each day. That's how much this contract, guys, I'm telling you something. And this is what I want to talk about. All right, hold on. Let's talk. Look, brothers. If you can get your hands on this OkEx thing, get it. And this is the reason why. Now, Bob, and so everybody, so some of the brothers did some research and they tweeted us and showed us some stuff. Bob showed us actually the contract. Now, I also did my own research. With OkEx, you can turn down your leverage. So, Bob, so what happens? All right, so what happens is if your leverage, remember, like I said, you gain more, you gain 100 times what you put in, but you also lose 100 times what you're in. And so what happens is if you don't have enough money in your account, it's called a margin call. Bang! It shuts out your trades and cashes you out, and you got to start over. That's called a margin call. So go to Investopedia and Google and look up margin call. And it sounded like OkEx, they're going to do a little more than margin call. It sounded like they're going to, I don't know what it sounded like. Okay, so let me just, I'm not going to say anything. But I'm going to tell you a secret though. OkEx lets you adjust your leverage. So what you do is, yeah, you don't want, if you have 100 to 1 leverage, if Bitcoin goes down a couple $100, holy shit, you owe thousands of dollars. Yeah, so turn the leverage off. Yeah, turn your leverage off. So at the beginning of your trade, I'm going to tell you, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I am going to do. if this shit gets, if OKEx gives this to us here in America, I'm going to buy Bitcoin futures with it, and I'm going to turn the leverage off. So as Bitcoin goes up and down, it's not really going to affect me. It's going to affect me in terms of, yeah, how much money I'm willing to lose, but not leveraged money, just regular money. So I don't know, maybe I'll put a few $1,000 extra in there. So fine. If it goes up or down a few thousand, fine. But once it starts going up, we know what's happening this year. Bang. We saw the OTC guys coming this year. We know that Bakkt and all these are offering their futures and shit, and it's all in Bitcoins and around the world. So Bitcoin's eventually, like I said, May, June, July is going to go up. I believe start going up and never turn back. And so you turn your leverage off. So you buy them at, say, 4,000. If you're lucky enough right now, you're in Europe, you buy them at 4,000 or whatever it is. What is it? $3,869 right now. Yeah, you buy them right now. Yeah, when they go to 5,000, turn your leverage up. Because now, even if it goes down a couple $100, yeah, you'll still be covered. You're not going to get margin called. I mean, I know I'm getting a little techie into sort of trading, but you guys, if you're not here in America, you have a great opportunity. And it's the difference between your account being like $1 million when you sell your warehouse and it being 10. 100 to 1 leverage, brothers. And what did they say? What did they say? OKEx. The other stuff they're going to do at what? What is it? 40 to 1 leverage. Leverage, guys. I want you to understand leverage. I want you to learn that. I want you to study that this weekend, what leverage is, so that when this fucking thing comes to America, because I know most of you are Americans that watch me, but my European brother, Ronkaz, man, Ronkaz. You said you had a big smile on your face. Are you in or what? What are you doing? Son of a bitch. Ronkaz, he's one of our brothers. He's a stock trader. How dare I call him a Forex trader? He's waiting for the paint to dry. But luck. I always fuck with him. But seriously, though, like, that's the seriousness of this. We're not even banging and having a look. Like, we're serious shit. Serious shit. So if you have the opportunity to get this, get in. Get in, turn down your leverage, and wait. All right? That's the strategy. I don't tell you what to do with your money, but in my opinion, that's what you have to do. And I am telling you, that's exactly what I'm going to do. If this comes to America, I'm going to buy, what do they have? They got Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, EOS, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum Litecoin Ripple. Yeah. I'm going to get myself some Bitcoin and Ethereums. Bang. Turn down the leverage, let it ride, and then start turning up. Remember, these are perpetual. What do they call them? Not perpetual. I mean, the word is perpetual, but... Oh, it is perpetual. Oh, okay. Yeah. They never turn off. You get to ride this shit forever at 100 to 1 leverage, at 40 to 1 leverage. I can't impress upon you how important that is, like how amazing that is. Oh, that's why I brought up vanilla. Exactly. We don't get leverage when we buy shit, right? You just buy it vanilla and it's over. Yo, you're going to buy Bitcoins through this futures contract. Yeah. When Bitcoin goes up $1, yeah, your futures contract is going to go up like $10. That's leverage. That's leverage, bitches. Yes, fuckstick. Shmore, man, are you really? Yes. That's leverage. That's leverage, brothers. How do you think I make money in Forex? Yeah, this shit goes up and down, you know, a half a penny. Yeah, but I just made $300. Yeah, leverage. 50 to 1 leverage, right? Oh, brothers, and I just want you guys, I want to impress upon you, everybody, I want you all to look into this. And brothers, if you have information, any of you out there who have information about this, if any of you are into this in Europe right now, tell us. Put it in the comments. Please, I'm asking nicely. Put it in the comments and tell us. Because when this comes to America, oh, and that's the reason. So, Shamori, I thought you said you were going to go to Jamaica and do it. I was going to go to Jamaica. I mean, I'm Jamaican, right? I'm not American. I mean, I'm American. I was born here, but my family are Jamaican. And so, you know, we have a lot of shit over there. And so I have a lot of family there. And so I was just going to go to Jamaica because they're not offering this to Americans. So I thought, all right, well, I'll just go to Jamaica and do it from there. But it can't work like that. How it is if I'm American, they're making me have a utility bill. So I thought, okay, well, I'll just get a cell phone and have a bill come. Nah, you have to have like an electricity bill and shit like that. You know how these guys are. They're good at that kind of stuff. I was going to try to do it. And so now I have to wait till it comes to America. And but you Europeans, so tell us, man, is this working for you guys? Or, well, it's not working yet. It is going to work, but how is it for you guys? And also just for the American brothers, look, when this shit gets here, I'm going to be all over it. I'm going to be telling you about it. I'm not even bullshit you. The day this comes to America, I'm going to have a whole show. A whole show on it. All right. I've talked enough. All right, that's enough of that. Bang. That's that product I want you to get. That's the product I want to get. Ay, brothers. All right. Institutional crypto adoption grows. But will the big banks make a splash in 2019? Let's see. A top executive at PricewaterhouseCoopers crypto division predicts that, PwC. So you guys know who PricewaterhouseCoopers is, right? Like they're like one of the biggest accounting firms in the world. Yeah, they're working with, is it accounting? Yeah, they're working with VeChain extensively. But anyway, so get your VeChain on. Oh, one of you brothers, and we'll get into it. One of the brothers was like, I'm into VeChain. I was like, look, diversify. And then he told me diversifying was for shit coins. All right. Anyways, that was today. Henry Arslanian is fintech and crypto leader for PwC China and Hong Kong. He's also the chairman of the Fintech Association of Hong Kong and a teacher of the first fintech university course in Asia. Arslanian believes that despite regulatory uncertainty, I told you this is the year of regulatory what? Clarity. Bang. Regulatory clarity. Where are we here? Uncertainty in a cryptocurrency bear market. More banks will enter the space in 2019. Great. He noted that 2018 also saw many enter. Some of them may decide to launch their own solutions. And that's the thing. I told you guys, Christine Lagarde, the IMF lady, she said every country should make their own crypto. All right, my bad. I'm not going to lie about that. I don't know if she said that. But what she said was every bank should make their own cryptocurrency. And that's what's happening. That's what's going to happen this year. There's going to be a Bank of America stablecoin. There's going to be a fucking... We'll see. But it seems like that's where things are going, this whole stablecoin thing. And just making your own coin for stuff. The crypto expert gives Fidelity Investments as an example of one 2018 cryptocurrency market entrant. Exactly. Fidelity Investments, we talked about them. You guys know $2.5 trillion in management. Trillion. Yes, trillion in management came into the market. It launched Fidelity Digital Asset Services, LLC, to trade cryptocurrencies and provide crypto custody services for its institutional client base in October. At the time, industry professionals came out in support of the move. Some commented that overcoming the custody hurdle, look, if you don't know what custody is, you're obviously not a market guy. Let me tell you. Custody is what makes everything work. Everything. All your stocks, your bonds, your shadow banking, everything. Without custody, there is none of this. Right? A billionaire doesn't give a motherfucking trader $1 billion or 500 million and be like, here, just take my money. No. The trader has to have it in what's called custody services. Yeah. Like, that's how it works. You know, you don't give a guy 500 million. How do you think all these billionaires trade and everything? Yeah, it's all in custody. And then their traders have what would be called like a power of attorney over those funds to invest and stuff like that. But yeah, they don't put it in their personal bank account, right? That's called custody. And that was one of the big things way earlier last year was that, yeah, this crypto, I already told you guys that this crypto ain't going anywhere without custody. And so we have it. And where are we at here? All right. So in December, Fidelity revealed it would add more crypto assets to its services and further invested alongside Nasdaq in the Wall Street cryptocurrency exchange ErisX. That's the one you boys have been telling me about, the one with TD Bank, right? Arslanyan told Bloomberg that others may try to partner with some of the other crypto firms a bit like Nomura did with Ledger. And others may try to invest in crypto companies a bit like Goldman did with BitGo and Circle. Adding elsewhere, this is very good because it will bring the kind of level of institutional expertise, and that's what I'm talking about. And when this guy talks about institutional expertise, that's what I want you guys to understand. Like when you're investing in stuff. I know you guys are Ripple lovers and you guys are this lever and that lever. Look, are you guys here for the money or are you here, you know, for bullshit? Like, you're on cryptocurrency blockchain news. I'm here to fucking make sure that you make money. And that's what I'm talking about. Like, bang, institutional expertise. Shmori, why are you invested in IOTA? Why are you invested in VeChain? Why are you invested in Stellar? It's not just that, yeah, they have good ideas, but it's that, yeah, IBM takes them under their wing. Microsoft takes them under their wing, right? And so when those companies do that, that's what it is. They give them institutional expertise. A lot of these crypto, it's just a bunch of fucking kids. Nah, not just kids, but just, you know, a bunch of fanatics. Like they want to do whatever. Yeah, they need to be taught how to do things proper. Do you understand what I'm saying? They need institutional expertise. And that's what I try to impress upon you guys is, Shmori, what should we invest in? Yeah, working product. And then working product that's partnered with Fortune 500 companies is what I tell you. If you're telling me about, well, we're partnered with this bank and that bank, and I don't even know the name of it, fuck that shit. But if you're telling me, like IOTA, I'm partnered with the United Nations, with fucking IBM, with Fujitsu, Volkswagen, Audi, yeah, do you guys know those names? Yeah, look at the partnerships. You don't have to bottom feed in this crypto world. Like, look, we're here to make money, brothers. We're here to make money. You don't have to bottom feed. You don't have to sit there and just hope your token, your thing does something. There are things doing things right. There are crypto blockchain services companies doing things now. Just buy that stuff. Get it now. And when these guys get here, when the institutional investors arrive, what are they going to do? They're going to buy that stuff. If they don't recognize the names of the companies that your cryptocurrency blockchain company is partnered with, they're not going to give a shit about that shit. They're going to say, good for you. You know, good for you. Right? They're not going to care. So, all right, institutional expertise. I'm trailing tonight. And so that's what I want you to invest in. Companies that are partnered with major corporations, which give them the expertise. They know how to make the blockchain, but now do you know how to market it? Do you know how to sell it? Do you know how to do all this other, do you have the power behind you of the name and all this? That's what these companies bring, kind of thing. All right. We're not going to get too much. All right, so that said, many banks and financial institutions are laying the ground for future cryptocurrency use by investigation and adopting cryptos underpinning blockchain technology. And there we go. And so that's what we got going on, brothers. Bang. All right, let's go to shout-outs and airdrops. Bang. What do we got? Oh, Pollywood just dropped something on us. What did he say? Oh, he showed us something yesterday. Winner, crypto arm wrestling. What? I don't even know what that is. Bang, Pollywood. Love you, brother. 464 crew with the guild chat. Bang. Love all of you guys. Oh, and one of you shouted me out. Hold on. Let me talk to the 46 crew guy. So he's a new guy. He's like, yeah, I'm one of Pollywood's bros. Yeah. He said, thanks for the shout out to Pollywood and the guild chat, 464 crew. Proud member and subscriber to your channel. Well, damn it. I'm glad you're proud and subscribed. Bang. There you go. What's his name? Tim Bryan. Bang, Tim Bryan. Nice. Yes. Love all you Tron guys. You're a friendly bunch. A lot friendlier than that Ripple bunch, I'll tell you that. Gator Trade. Bang. See you, brother. Actually, he doesn't even watch this. I was talking to him about VeChain earlier. But whatever, man. I'll shout him out anyway. Crypto news. Oh, this is the guy that told me that it was for shit coins. Anyways, see you, brother. Maybe you'll watch something. Now, let's get into some serious business. Airdrop. Airdrop 2410. Bang, bang, bang. The Hurricane Master. Bang. He gave us an airdrop tonight. 2 of them. Cocoa Puff token. So everyone go to Cocoa Puff token. Look. Head on over to Cocoa Puff token. And all you got to do, it's nice and easy. What happened here? What? All right. Anyways, just go there, retweet, bang, put your Ether wallet, bang, you'll get some coin. And then he dropped another one on us. It's called the Kush token. Head on over there. Looks like some weed shit. Oh, it is weed shit. Bang. Whatever, man. It's free. So go get that airdrop, brothers. All right. Litecoin feeds. See you, brother. Bang. Lisa. There's our girl. Bang. From Ireland. Crypto man. Bang. See you, brother. Radster. Yes, brother. Bang. See you, brother. Yes, DP Entertainment. You've been around a bit. Bang. See you, brother. What else we got? Oh, here he is. Bang. And that's the airdrop master. We haven't been getting them much. But Bob at 844-1320. Just in case we get some. Go learn how to get them. Bang. Arj. Bang. See you, brother. Yes. Oh, and there's the master. Oh, Justin. Oh. What did he tell us today? Oh, he dropped some shit on us today, too. Hold on. Did he? Yeah, he did. Hold on, though. We'll get to that in a second. Hold on, actually. We'll get to it right fucking now. Hold on. Let's go. Let's look at his Twitter. Bang. He dropped some goods. You have the ability to open a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other types of crypto wallets within your current banking apps. And oh, he's pinned that one. Okay. Yeah, I read that one a long time ago. America's overdue for a correction. Oh, and here it is. VeChain. Yeah, this is the shit he put. Congratulations, VeChain. VeChain has been ranked first in the information technology service industry category at Teaching 2019 Blockchain Value List, jointly organized by Bubbit. But what he said was, look at the names. Bang, VeChain number 1. Factum number 2, Singularity. I own those guys, but that's just silliness. But look at all the names. Bang. Yes. And that was the thing we read yesterday. All right. That's our brother, though. That's the he just comes in on the cuts and just bang, bang, drops you some knowledge and bounces. All right. Los Angeles Blockchain Week. Oh, I see. You're trying to promote. Well, there it is. Promote it for you. Guys, go to Los Angeles Blockchain Week if you're in Los Angeles. All right. Crypto Junkie. Bang. See you, sir. All right. What do we got? Andy256. See you, brother. Bang. There's Justin. Oh, there's Edwin. Bang, bang, Edwin. See you, brother. Bang, bang. You know how we do. Oh, and this son of a bitch right here. Bang, bang, bang. See you. Yes, airdropper. So we're pretty much done here. Let me get to your wives and lives. Oh, what do we got here? We got a little, hold on, what's going on? Bang, El Domo. Bang, Muhammad. See you, brother. Bang, O0. Oh, we did do this one. All right, guys. So let's get you your wives and lives. Let's chill it and kill it. Bang. bang, and then we go bang. Yes, brother. So that's how we roll. So, guys, it's been a good week. Oh, it's a good opening to 2019. Tron lovers, luck, luck, luck. You got the fucking new shit. Oh, that's what the brothers were talking about. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go and show people. The brothers were talking about. Where's Pollywood? Where is his ass? He said he has his computer ready. Ready. He's upgrading. Where's his shit? Where's Pollywood shit? There it is. Bang, bang, he said, got my desktop upgraded. Yes, brother, yes. I know, man. I'm thinking of slapping some more RAM up in this bitch. My hard drives are pretty big. I mean, I can always add another one, whatever, later on. But I'm thinking of slapping exactly that. I'm going to upgrade these little crappy little machines I have. Like I told you guys, I'm doing the... I mean, this is a bunch of bullshit. The honey mining crap. That's a bunch of bullshit. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm not going to tell you we'll see. I'm telling you, I'm going to do this BitTorrent thing. And this is what he said. He says, I don't need to buy BTT. He said, I'll be a seeder. Damn right. I will be a seeder. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to start seeding shit. You know, just seed shit. And that's how it goes. But then he said his trades are nice. 10K, bang. 10K Tron, bang. Yes, brother, yes. But yeah, guys, get those old machines ready. Stack them. Pack them full of what's that show that I said yesterday? Of Game of Thrones and West Wing and just all that kind of shit you guys watch. Pack it in there and just let that motherfucker make you some money. All right. Bang. And then we bang. All right. So let's chill it and kill it. Guys, it's been a good night. I love doing this for you guys. So like I said, man, you can get these stocks now. That's kind of cool. That's super cool. Look. This OkEx thing. Ronkes, man. Son of a bitch. Tell me, man, did you do this yet or what? You know I take you seriously, and so please tell me about that. And institutional crypto in 2019 is on the way. We already know that. We watched the OTC thing last night. So look, let's chill it and kill it. Subscribe below if you're new here. If you're new here, subscribe below. Press the bell. Press the thumbs up. Press everything you got to press to make it amazing. Whatever. Bang. All right. And that's how it goes. So look. I'll see you guys next week. And look, we're riding in the future, so get your shit right. It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. The once-in-a-lifetime chance. So get it right. We're going to keep it at that tonight. I'm not going to get into Noah or bulls or anything tonight. But really, the bull run's coming. Look. All right? So look. Love you guys. This is Shamari Clark. Subscribe below. Press the bell. I'll see you tomorrow, next week. Have a good weekend with your wives and your children. Bang. And I'll see you tomorrow or next week when our money's right. Bang. Shamari Clark. Always on duty. Bang. Over and out.